Hey everyone, it's G here, Gayon here in Cali. Woohoo, it's Saturday, February 17, 2018. So today I'm going to be making some banana blueberry paleo breakfast bread. So what paleo means is dairy free, is gluten free, nuts free, oil free. It's free of all that stuff. Okay, so we're going to make a healthy breakfast bread that's banana and blueberry. So be back shortly. We'll get all the ingredients ready, show you guys how to get it done. Very easy, and you're gonna love this. So back in a sec. Okay, so here G here. So let's go over the ingredients real quick of what you'll need to make this banana blueberry paleo breakfast bread. So on this side here, I'm showing you guys the wet ingredients that we're gonna need here. So we're gonna need 3 eggs. We have 100% pure maple sour. We have the organic vanilla extract. We have coconut milk, full fat in a can, 2 bananas, blueberries, and I'll show you guys the egg ready. And in the back there we have the pan that I'm going to bake it in. You need 8 inch by 4 baking pan, loaf pan, and then you're going to need the parchment paper to put in the pan that we're going to bake the bread in. Over here, let's talk about the dry ingredients. So dry ingredients, we're going to need tapioca flour, coconut flour, aluminum, make sure it's aluminum free baking powder. You're gonna need baking soda, and you're gonna need pure sea salt. So those are all items you're gonna need to make this paleo banana blueberry breakfast bread. Okay, so I'll be back on shortly as we put everything together. I'll give you guys the measurements. We're gonna put it all together, mix it all up, and then I'll walk you through the process. Okay, so first thing we're doing here is we're getting the wet ingredients ready first. So I cut up the 2 bananas, cut them up, and they do recommend overripe. That's why I said the bananas were a little bit overripe. So 2 bananas, we got the 3 eggs, we got the maple syrup, the coconut milk, and the vanilla extract. Those are all gonna go in here, and we're gonna mix those together first. And the recipe is in the description of this video, so you'll get the correct measurement. So I'm gonna smash the bananas now, and then put all of these in this bowl here and mix this all up together, and I'll stop. Okay guys, so we're getting the wet ingredients ready. So we got the bananas are smashed. I smashed the 2 bananas. Now we have the separate bowl here. We're mixing the 3 eggs, 2 tablespoons of maple syrup, and half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and then the coconut milk. So honey, take the coconut milk, 1/4 of coconut milk, and pour it in there. Okay, he's left-handed, so okay. All right, now put that down. Put the cup down of milk. No, okay. So we're gonna stir. We're stirring
2
this.
cups. Yeah.
So we're gonna stir this. So Aiden is helping me. We're gonna stir this. Yeah, mix it up, baby, and then we're gonna take that and pour it here with the bananas and mix that all together. And that's gonna be our ingredients. So we're doing that now.
I want to help you.
And again, guys, the recipe for this is in the description of this video. I got the recipe in there. All the instructions are in there. So you know, if you get confused, you can reference back the instructions that I have listed under the description of this video. So now we're working on the ingredients, and then next we're gonna work on getting the dry ingredients together. Okay, so we will be back in a second. Aiden is helping. He's mixing all of the
It looks like mixed together.
Mixing all this, and we're gonna pour that in with the bananas and mix that together. So back in a sec. Okay, so now we got the we're gonna pour the mixture. Be careful, Aiden.
Oh, sorry.
Be careful.
Being careful.
That's gonna okay. That's gonna go in. Let Mama help you. It's gonna go in with the bananas. Okay, so again so now we got the eggs, coconut milk, maple syrup, vanilla extract with the bananas. We're gonna mix this all together, and this is gonna complete the wet ingredients. And now next,
in the
I'll come back to work on the dry ingredients. So back in a sec. Okay. Okay, yeah. So go ahead and start it and mix that up real good, honey, with the bananas. Let it be. Okay, so Aiden's now we're gonna get the dry ingredients ready. So go ahead, Aiden. So we have a we have a cup of the coconut flour. Pour it in here. Can you please be careful?
Can you do it?
Okay.
Oh, the button stuff everywhere.
Okay. So we have the bacon. That was the coconut flour. Okay, honey, don't do that. Don't do that. We have the coconut flour, the Now we're gonna do the baking powder, baking soda, and the tapioca flour. Those are all the wet ingredients, and the sea salt. Okay, sea salt. I've got everything here. So these are all, I'm gonna combine all that into this bowl here and mix those together, and then we're gonna pour that into the wet ingredients and mix them all. So let's work now on getting the dry ingredients ready. Okay. So we're stirring. So Aiden is stirring the dry ingredients now. So we have the, just so you guys remember, it's the tapioca flour, coconut flour, sea salt, baking powder. Make sure it's non-aluminum, aluminum-free baking powder, baking soda. That's all combined. All the dry ingredients are combined in here. So he's mixed that up, and then we're gonna mix that into the banana and then put it all together. So back. Okay, everyone. So we're ready to mix everything now. So we got the wet ingredients. Now we're gonna slowly put in the dry ingredients and start to mix everything together for the batter. So
Oh my
we're
god.
gonna pour a little at a time. Okay, Aiden, go ahead and stir some.
How come we didn't add all of it?
Yeah, because we're gonna stir it in slowly. So we're gonna, so we're gonna mix that in first, then we'll put the rest in and mix it all. So now we're mixing the
It
wet.
looks like banana soup.
Yeah,
Oh man, banana soup.
it looks like banana soup. Really? So now we're mixing the dry and wet together. And then that'll be the batter, and that's it, guys. That'll be the batter for the bread, and then we're gonna transfer it into the pan. So let's go ahead and get this all mixed. I'll come back and show you when it's all mixed together. And the next step is to put it in the baking pan. So we'll get to that next. Okay, guys. So I'm slowly. The last instruction here is to fold in the blueberries with the batter, and because it's coconut flour, as the instructions stated, it's gonna be thick. So it is kind of thick, just so you know. That is normal, just so you know. So don't get concerned if it's thick. So all we're doing, we're just folding in the blueberries. That's it. And now I'm gonna get ready to transfer the batter into the loaf pan that has with the parchment paper. So we'll come on quickly a second here and show you on the last. Okay, guys, so here we're done. So we have the I took the batter, put it in the 8-inch by 4-inch loaf pan with the parchment paper. So you have to put the lay the parchment paper in the pan and then pour the batter, and there we go. So now this is done and ready, and now we're going to put this in the oven. Go in the oven, guys. There it is in the oven. Okay, we're gonna bake that for on 350 degrees for 55 minutes. Okay, so 350 degrees for 55 minutes. So there we go. The bread is in. So I'll be back in about an hour or so. Show you guys the final product. Woohoo! So excited about this. We're gonna try to get us some blueberry and banana. Okay guys, so an hour later and the bread is ready. So we baked it on 350 for 55 to 60 minutes, basically an hour. And so what you do is I took it out the oven, take a toothpick, stick it in the center, lift it up. And if it's not sticky, I check the toothpick, it's not sticky at all. It's done. So the bread is done. So what the instruction says is to leave it in the pan for 10 minutes. Leave it in the pan for 10 minutes. After that, you can then take it out the baking pan, put it on a put it on the side or wherever, put it somewhere for it to cool off. Let it cool for an hour before you slice it, and that's it. So it's done. So I'm gonna leave it here for 10 minutes in the pan. After 10 minutes, I'm gonna take it out the pan, take the bread out, set it on a rack for it to cool off for an hour. And after it cools off for an hour, I can then slice it. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe if you want to get more of these videos on how to cook the healthy way. Make sure you subscribe. Have a wonderful weekend, and I'll see you. So here we go, guys. I let it sit for 10 minutes in the baking pan. Took it out the pan. Now instructions said leave it here for an hour before you slice. So let it cool for an hour, and then it's all done. It's easy, healthy. So thanks for watching. Have a wonderful weekend. If you do try it out, leave me a comment. Let me know how it came out. Let me know your thoughts. Again, this is healthy, guys. This is a healthy way to cook. Make your breads without the sugars and you know, that other things that we use out there that spikes up our blood sugar and just completely just throws our health out of whack. So anyways, that's it. Have a wonderful weekend. Thanks for watching, and see you all in my next